Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to set up UAD Apollo Twin X. Firstly, go to UA Audio and register to your Apollo Twin X. Download and install the Universal Audio software. Use a Thunderbolt 3 cable to connect the Apollo Twin X to your computer. Then plug in the power supply and turn on the unit. Open the UA Connect app and log in and authorize your Apollo. This unlocks your UAD plugins. Open the UAD console application. Here you can control preamp, settings, inputs, outputs, and real-time plugin monitoring. Go to System Settings, Sound, and set Apollo Twin X as your input or output device. If prompted by UA Connect, let it update the firmware. Plug in your mic or instrument into the front panel and adjust gain with the big knob. Use real-time UAD plugins for zero latency recording. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.